box we have Louis Vuitton bag, which is a classic style in a seasonal color variation, and this is not a new bag to me. People on TikTok got crazy about this bag and it became very popular, so I think you might like it too. By the way, Louis Vuitton apparently has changed their boxes into this kind of thing. It looks like an upgrade, but I think it's actually downgrade because it's not magnetic anymore. At least I don't think it's not magnetic. And I didn't got the ribbon, of course, again, because I didn't tell them, like, come on. You pay thousands for the bag and they just, you know, don't want to give you a meter of ribbon. But anyway, here is the bag. And of course, it's an Alma. So I am Alma collector. One is, yeah, that's how many of them I own. I will be super honest with you. If I would be in Kelly tax bracket, I would be probably collecting Hermes Kellys, but I am not, plus the game and all the things, so I just buy what I can. It actually has similar vibe, it's elegant, timeless, classic, and the leather is super durable. So this year we've got denim version of Alma BB in epi leather, and I call it denim because the color is really denim-like. This is like a denim color, and it even has, if you can see closer, in those lines, like the structure of the epi leather, they are deep inside, there is lighter color, so actually it gives this kind of denim look like, but I don't actually remember what is the official name of that color. It's a good idea to have the leather bags which are colored like denim because they are probably more durable. This particular Alma bag, it's a little bit more special than the other seasonal colors of Alma bag. Unfortunately, those little special things plus this wonderful color made me buy it, because I was going to the boutique to visit the bag, to see it, to have a look, with all the hopes that I'm not gonna like it and I will be okay, 2,000 euro stayed with me. Unfortunately, the bag was too good to leave it in the boutique. However, I have to admit that the first visit wasn't very successful because it was towards the end of the day, but the other one was also at the end of the day because I didn't want to walk with the shopping bags. So that's why I was going at the end of the day. So the first time I went to see the bag, the woman was not interested in me. I think she didn't think I am a buyer. I had no makeup because I just flew the same day, and I had a nap in the hotel and then I went in the afternoon outside. So no makeup, just, you know, I probably didn't look like a buyer, so she really didn't care about me. The lighting in Louis Vuitton boutiques, as you probably know, is very often weird because it's point light, but you have really difficult time to put the bag in the right place to see the proper color of the bag. So I was like kind of, you know, saying to her that I wonder how exactly blue is it, like what kind of shade of blue is it? And she was like, it's a blue bag. I'm like, okay, no thanks, and I left the store, like almost like, thank you for that attitude. And I went to another boutique the next day, and the lady was super lovely, super nice, even though also end of the day they said like, no problem, you can try, no problem. And she actually let me try like, I don't know, 5 or 6 trunk bags, Petit Mal, but also the other trunk, which one of them I am really obsessed. I would love to own it, but I think it's 7,500 euro at the moment, which it's difficult. One day I looked at the bag. I had all the time I wanted to look at this bag and any other bag that I was even just for a fraction of a second laid my eyes on it, they would show me. They were really lovely. I was looking at this bag. The light was a little bit better. The boutique was bigger also. That color is pretty good. And obviously my outfit, here you see it, didn't really make it more difficult to get this bag because with lemon yellow, this color looks really good. The first special, you know, thing about it is of course the color, but the other special thing is that it comes with a gold hardware, which I am so glad that I see like the second Alma bag recently, which was brought in gold hardware, because I prefer gold hardware. I think the color of the bag pops more with gold hardware, so I really love it. The next thing is it comes with the guitar strap, but this guitar strap is not like the other ones, which were like kind of graffiti, which was really cheap looking. Like I just couldn't look at them even. I just, you know, put them somewhere deep into dust bag storage or whatever. But this one, it is actually a nice guitar strap with just Louis Vuitton written on it, without any crazy font or crazy colors that makes it look cheap and like a fake basically. On the other side, it has the flowers, the Louis Vuitton flowers, and it is in the color of the bag. So pretty much you can wear it with this bag, which is like wow, and I'm going to use it from time to time. However, I actually prefer to wear Alma as a handheld bag or on, you know, like this. I usually buy this kind of Felicie strap, like, you know, the Felicie style strap of Amazon or any other supplier to use with these bags, because I think it just looks nicer and more elegant, more chic. It's like more delicate chain, so I actually usually wear them with the bag, and I clip it into the bag, and then I can drop it inside. So it's actually very convenient, and I can use it crossbody when I need it, but it's just some occasions when I have a lot of shopping with me or I'm looking at things in the shop. So there are occasions, but I think this bag looks more girly like. You never carry anything else. Your hands are just busy carrying your handbag and maybe a lipstick. That's all you have. That's how I carry my Almas. And another is the interior. And look at this interior. It's denim with LV logo. It's really beautiful. Usually Alma bags, they have microfiber lining. And it's not very special. Sometimes it's special because it's like contrasting to the bag, so I love that. But usually it's like nothing very special. But I love about this bag that it has this beautiful denim, and people on TikTok were also obsessed about it. So this is my new addition to my Alma bag collection, or Alma bag family at my home. There are a couple of bags which I haven't shown you yet. I will try to do it relatively soon. That'll be all for the video. I hope you enjoy, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.